So today I'm gonna try something for the very first time, and this is something that you should definitely do in Malaysia. It's probably the most popular dish. So that dish is Nasi Kandar. I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and find out. So there is Nasi Kandar, but there's other stuff here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the basics, just Nasi Kandars, see how it tastes. And then later I'll try all this other stuff. Nice, okay.
Yeah, then chicken, fried chicken.
Okay.
Then grilled chicken.
Okay.
Then mutton, lamb.
Lamb, okay.
Yeah. Then vegetarian sayur with egg. Then seafood.
So all of this is Nasi Kandar? Ah. Oh, okay. So, yeah, that's just a brief explanation of it. It's very popular, and there's many different types of Nasi Kandar. So there it is. Let me turn this around. So he's making a Nasi Kandar right now. Thank you. So, okay. So that is chicken. Yeah. It's fish. Okay, and there's some rice right there. So, yes. Okay. Oh man, it looks like it's gonna be delicious. Okay. More chicken. Wow. Oh, chicken and meat too. Lamb. Oh, okay. Lamb. Beef is fine. I'll take that. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take it. Okay. So many different meats on there, you can see there. Oh, wow. It's a lot of different things there. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, yes, beautiful. So Nasi Kandar, okay. He's asking for my YouTube channel? Oh, okay. 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 There it is. Yeah.
Your channel.
Yeah, subscribe, yeah.
Okay, I will subscribe.
Ah, thank you. Terima kasih. Yeah, thank you. So, here it is. Oh, man. I cannot wait. I have no idea what flavors are gonna be in here, but can't wait to eat this. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. My first time trying Nasi Kandar. There were so many things that they put in there, so I really have no idea what's gonna happen here, but let's go ahead and taste this. Wow. I don't really know how to explain it. If you had Indian food, like you have curry and stuff, it's like that. But the difference is, this is a mixture of different flavors and meats all at the same time. Oh, wow. And there's also some okra here as well. And you can get different meats, as you probably saw. But I got just basically chicken and beef. I'll try different other types of Nasi Kandar later, but man, I can see why people like this so much. Yeah, try this out. Absolutely delicious. I can see why this is a national dish, and I'm glad it tastes as awesome as it does. Wow, so just got done eating my first Nasi Kandar. Wow, that was delicious. Oh man, I'm not sure what this is called. Restaurant Nasi Kandar KL Express. This is actually in Chinatown or near Chinatown. I'm not exactly sure, but definitely come here and check it out. There's a lot of Nasi Kandar restaurants. That's my first one, and I'm glad I had a great experience. So far, I have not been disappointed with the food here at all. The only thing that's a problem is there's so much good food that, yeah, you might actually gain a lot of weight. I've just been eating, and it's just simply amazing. And I think I got this for around 25 ringgit. That's about $5 US, if I'm not mistaken. But for people who are coming here from the US or other Western countries, your money will go really far. You could eat out pretty much all day and you'll still be okay. So that was my first experience with Nasi Kandar, and it won't be my last.